What up, family, friends, faithful followers? This is a surprising gift. A shout out to my PE teacher for actually handing me this. Thank you so much. This is my very first personal ceiling fan. I have never owned a ceiling fan in my life before until now. This is a new in the box Harper Breeze Centreville, 52 inches. As you can see, all the specs. And the actual ceiling fan itself. All the necessary specs. The energy guides. Room size specs. Warnings. Okay. Here's the side of the box. The other side of the box. I'm not going to display the back of the box or the bottom of the box because the back of the box is all in Espanol and I don't think many of us will be able to understand it. And the back of the the bottom of the box. Okay, I'll display that. It may be difficult. The manufacturer business. Of course, it's manufactured in China. Okay. I'm gonna see if I could get the box open, so sit tight. Alrighty. With just my red scissors right here, I managed to carefully get the box open without damaging any of the contents. Now let's have a look inside. Ooh, fresh. The instruction manual. I'm gonna set that aside. The blades. Blades are an important part. So these are 52 inches. My Seasons Murillo is also 52 inches. I don't see the difference. Okay. The Harper Breeze pull chains. Ooh. Plus the other specs. I'm gonna set these back in here, but otherwise, the blade brackets, or blade irons, the bowl, the mounting bracket, I think that's what it is, the motor housing, the shades, the light kit stuff, and a couple more blade brackets. And yeah, that's it. I'm gonna set these back before they get damaged, before I can even have a chance to install them. So like, subscribe, click the bell to stay notified, and that's my Harper Breeze Centreville.